In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Steam gift card. If you've got one of these handy cards and are eager to dive into the world of Steam games, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Once it's open, head to your search bar and type in Steam. Hit enter and you should see the official Steam website pop up in your search results. Click on that link to take you to the Steam homepage. Now, if you're not already logged into your Steam account, you might be prompted to do so. Just enter your login details and you'll be ready to proceed. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one, but that's a topic for another day. Once you're logged in, look for your account icon, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this list, select Account Details. This will take you to a new page where all your account information is displayed. On the Account Details page, you'll want to find the option that says Plus Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Click on it, and you'll be directed to another screen. Here, you'll see several options for adding funds, but what you're interested in is the choice to redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Go ahead and click on that. Now you should have your Steam gift card handy. Look for the code on the card. It's usually a string of letters and numbers. Carefully type this code into the provided Steam wallet code box. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears without any mistakes. Once you've done that, click the Continue button. With your gift card funds successfully added to your Steam wallet, you can now head over to the Steam store. Browse through the vast selection of games and software available. Find something you love? Great. Add it to your shopping cart. When you're ready to make a purchase, simply click on Purchase for myself if it's for you, or Purchase as a gift if you're buying for someone else. Finally, you'll arrive at the Review Plus Purchase screen. Here you'll notice that Steam automatically selects your Steam wallet as the primary payment method, which now contains the funds from your gift card. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct, and then complete your purchase. And there you have it. You've successfully used your Steam gift card to make a purchase. Enjoy your new games or software, and happy gaming!